Hey folks, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a green banana soup. Yes, I said it, green banana soup. So here we go. I have some green bananas here. Green banana is also known as green fig in Trinidad and Tobago, right? This is about 6 or 7 of them, and they're not that big. They're kind of small, but you know, they are still good enough to work with, right? I'm gonna have some pumpkin here this side, pumpkin, some carrot. This is a Maggi cube that I just put here, just 1 cube. This is 2 leaves of shado beni, right? This is optional if you don't have it. Shado beni, also known as culantro. Some garlic. This is about 4 garlic cloves. Some seasoned peppers. They are very small, so I use about 4 of them, and I use the colorful ones just to give the soup a little more color. And to the back here, I have about 2 sticks of side. Underneath that, I have some onions. So I'm going to clean the green fig and continue the process. So here's my green fig in a pot of water. Now the thing about with green fig, as soon as you clean each one, you peel and you clean each one, wash it off properly. I slice it up and put it in a pot of water right away. If you don't do that, the green fig will get discolored. So each one, as fast as you clean each one, put them in a pot of water. So I'm just going to simply add the rest of the ingredients. Pumpkin, carrots, garlic, shado beni, again that's optional, seasoning peppers. This is my seasoning there, and the side and onion. I'm going to put this on the stove and allow the everything to cook well. So I'll be back. Okay, so this was about 15 to 20 minutes. The banana is fully cooked. The pumpkin, the carrots, the fruit, the vegetables and the herbs are all nicely cooked. So I'm going to turn off the stove, allow this to cool, and I'm going to put this in my blender. I want a nice creamy consistency for my soup. So I'm going to allow this to cool. Oh my goodness, would you look at that? Look how creamy that is. Exactly what I want. I put it in the blender just for a few seconds, let it blend so that everything kind of like, you know, get it nice and creamy like this. And yeah, at this point you could taste it and see if it needs more salt or whatever. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to put another secret ingredient, special ingredient, and put some coconut milk, baby. This is 1 cup of coconut milk. And I'm going to put a hot pepper, just let that flavor the soup a bit. Today is my husband and I anniversary, so I'm preparing this to serve when he gets home with dinner. This should be very filling because of the ground provision, the green bananas. Yeah, I know you're gonna love this, guys. You're gonna really love this. I got this recipe from Chef Jana, but of course I just tweaked the recipe a bit. You know, this is basically a vegan recipe. I'll leave a link for her channel in the description box below so you can check her out. She has some really cool recipes, especially if you are in a vegan lifestyle. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah, baby. Okay folks, so here's my green banana soup, looking all nice and creamy and yummy. Yeah, and remember that you could customize this any way that you like. If you whatever vegetables you have in your fridge, you could use that, and whatever seasoning to taste, you could add whatever you feel like. Just have the main ingredient of the green fig, and of course the coconut milk will add that extra flavor, but you could also eliminate that too if you don't want to have that coconut milk as well. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, which I know you will, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay my dears, thanks so much for watching. Take care, bye bye.